Prepare to be amazed by the incredible power of the sun with 20 mind-blowing facts you never knew. From its scorching surface to its mysterious corona, these revelations will leave you in awe. So buckle up and get ready to explore the mysteries of our nearest star. Fact number 1. A day in the life of the sun. Did you know that a day on the sun is equivalent to 365 days on Earth? That's because the sun rotates on its axis once every 25 days. However, don't be fooled by this apparent similarity. On the sun, a day is nearly twice as long as on our planet. It might seem like a small difference, but when you think about it, it means that the sun experiences almost twice as many sunrises and sunsets each year compared to Earth. Imagine seeing the dawn and dusk nearly twice as often as we do. That would definitely change the way we perceive time. Fact number 2. A starry beginning. The sun, like all stars, began its life as a massive cloud of gas and dust. Over millions of years, gravity caused this material to collapse, increasing in density and temperature until nuclear fusion ignited in its core. This process turned the sun into a bowl of scorching plasma and triggered the birth of our solar system. Fact number 3. A hot spot on the sun's surface temperature reaches an astonishing 5,500 degrees Celsius, which is enough to melt rock and metal. However, the real heat is found in its core, where temperatures soar to 15 million degrees Celsius. At such high temperatures, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing tremendous energy and creating the sun's powerful magnetic field. Fact number 4. The sun's magnetic field. The sun's powerful magnetic field extends far beyond its visible surface and plays a crucial role in space weather. It is constantly in motion, creating sunspots, solar flares, and coronal mass ejections that can disrupt important communications and power systems on Earth. These magnetic field lines also create an environment known as the heliosphere, which shields the inner solar system from harmful cosmic radiation. Fact number 5. A glowing corona. The sun's atmosphere is not just hot, it is glowing. Known as the corona, this outermost layer extends thousands of kilometers into space and reaches temperatures of over 1 million degrees Celsius. The corona is only visible during a total solar eclipse, when the moon casts its shadow on the sun's disk, revealing the eerie glow of this normally invisible region. Fact number 6. From fusion to radiation. The sun's energy is produced through a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. This energy travels from the core to the surface, taking thousands of years to make the journey. Once it reaches the surface, it radiates into space in all directions, sustaining life on Earth and powering our planet's climate and weather patterns. Fact number 7. Keeping tabs on the sun. Astronomers use a variety of tools to monitor the sun's activity, including ground-based telescopes and spacecraft. One of the most important measurements is the daily monitoring of sunspots, which can help predict solar flares and other disturbances. Spacecraft like NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory provide continuous observation, capturing images and data that help scientists understand the sun's behavior and its effects on Earth. Fact number 8. A gassy giant. Despite its scorching temperatures, the sun is mostly made up of gas. In fact, it is a giant ball of plasma, a superheated state of matter that is found in stars and other celestial objects. This gaseous composition gives the sun its dynamic features like sunspots, solar flares, and the solar wind. Understanding the composition and behavior of the sun's atmosphere helps scientists predict space weather and assess the risks to important technologies on Earth. Fact number 9. The dynamic corona. The sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, is a highly dynamic region with features like coronal mass ejections and solar flares. These events can have significant impacts on Earth, disrupting important technologies and even causing auroras. Studying the corona helps scientists better understand the sun's behavior and its influence on our planet. Fact number 10. Solar flares. The sun's corona is home to solar flares, sudden bursts of energy that occur in the sun's atmosphere. These intense eruptions release enormous amounts of plasma and radiation, which can travel to Earth and disrupt important technologies. Solar flares are one of the most dramatic features of the sun, and understanding them is crucial for predicting space weather and protecting important infrastructure on Earth. Fact number 11. A powerful wind. The sun's corona also produces a constant stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. This steady flow of plasma extends millions of kilometers into space, creating a protective bubble around the inner solar system. The solar wind can have a significant impact on Earth, driving auroras and influencing our planet's upper atmosphere. Fact number 12. Fueling the aurora. The solar wind and other disturbances in the sun's atmosphere can trigger stunning displays of light in the sky known as the aurora. When charged particles from the sun interact with our planet's upper atmosphere, they excite the gas molecules, causing them to glow. These beautiful light shows are a reminder of the sun's powerful influence on Earth and the complex relationship between our planet and the sun. Fact number 13. A dying star. The sun is in the middle of its life cycle, but it won't shine forever. In about 5 billion years, it will run out of hydrogen fuel and begin to die. As the sun ages, it will expand into a red giant engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. Eventually, it will collapse into a white dwarf, leaving behind a cloud of gas and dust. Fact number 14. A star system. The sun doesn't exist in isolation. It is part of a star system along with 8 planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. Each object in the solar system has a unique orbit and characteristics, forming a complex and dynamic system that is home to a wide range of celestial bodies. Understanding the dynamics of the solar system helps scientists learn more about the sun and its place in the larger universe. Fact number 15. An ancient beacon. The sun has been a beacon for humans for thousands of years. Ancient cultures revered the sun as a god and developed calendars and other systems of knowledge based on its cycles. To this day, the sun continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the beauty and power of the natural world. Fact number 16. A variable star. The sun isn't as simple as it may seem. It actually varies in brightness and activity over time. These fluctuations can affect the amount of energy reaching Earth and influence our planet's climate and weather patterns. Scientists are constantly working to understand the complexities of the sun and its behavior, and these studies help us better predict space weather and assess the risks to our planet. Fact number 17. A fusion reactor. The sun is essentially a giant fusion reactor that powers our solar system. Understanding how the sun produces energy can help scientists develop new technologies for clean and sustainable energy production on Earth. Research into the sun's fusion process could lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy and help address the global energy crisis. Fact number 18. A climate regulator. The sun's energy is vital for regulating Earth's climate and weather patterns. Changes in the sun's activity can influence our planet's temperature and precipitation, affecting weather events like hurricanes and droughts. Studying the sun's impact on Earth's climate helps scientists understand the complex factors that drive our planet's weather and predict future changes. Fact number 19. A cosmic timekeeper. The sun has been used as a timekeeper for centuries. Its regular cycles and predictable motion have helped humans keep track of time and develop calendars and clocks. Even today, the sun is an important reference point for measuring time and understanding the passage of the day, month, and year. Fact number 20. A scientific frontier. The sun remains one of the great scientific frontiers. There is still much that scientists don't understand about our nearest star and its behavior. New discoveries and technologies continue to reveal new insights into the sun's activity and its influence on Earth. Research into the sun is at the forefront of many scientific disciplines, from astronomy to solar physics and space weather forecasting. And each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the complex relationship between our planet and the Sun. Exploring the Sun's features and activity provides valuable insights into our planet's climate, weather, and space environment. By understanding the Sun's behavior, we can better predict space weather and assess the risks to our technologies and infrastructure. Additionally, studying the Sun's energy production offers potential solutions for clean and sustainable energy production on Earth. In conclusion, the Sun is a powerful and fascinating celestial body that plays a crucial role in our planet's climate, weather, and space environment. Understanding the Sun's behavior is essential for predicting space weather and assessing the risks to our technologies and infrastructure. By exploring the Sun's features and activity, we gain valuable insights into our planet's climate, weather, and space environment. So let us continue to marvel at the beauty and power of the Sun and strive to understand its mysteries.